Hi YouTube, this is a video response to high maintenance you natural hair girls make me sick. That video was posted in 2010, so I am very late, but I still feel like it holds some relevance today, so I want to talk about it. Basically, the gist of her video was that a lot of naturals on YouTube who are hair gurus, they cut their hair off and then their hair grows back longer than ever, and then they tell us, their audience, that if they pretty much follow the same steps that they did, that their hair will grow in the same way. However, what they fail to acknowledge is that genetics also play a part in their hair growth. So it pretty much gives off false information in a way, and it gives people the wrong idea. Now, in my personal opinion, I completely agree with high maintenance, for the simple fact that before I big chopped, I watched videos of women who cut their hair off and grew their hair back. They'll be like 5 months natural, and it'll be like down here, 6 months natural, all the way down here, 1 year, all the way to their butt. And I'm like, how is this possible? And I was just like, when I did it, I was like, I have to go natural because this is amazing. Like, it's the best stuff. But when I did my big chop, like, my hair did not grow at that rate at all. And I forgot the fact that, Clean, I forgot to remind myself, Clean, you don't have these girls' genetics, because their videos really, like, the message in their video was that big chopping in general just made your hair grow fast, which is not true. So I really appreciate high maintenance videos because you just have to keep it real. I big chopped last year, June. It's now May, and this is the length that my hair is at. I'm content with the length that it's at, but it did not grow remarkably. It grew at an okay pace. Like, it grew steadily, pretty much. It grew at the pace that I was used to my hair growing. I also feel like a lot of people, which this needs to be addressed because I've done this too, that a lot of people go natural to gain length, which is an unrealistic expectation to have. I went natural originally to gain length. Like I said, that's unrealistic. Look where I'm at now. My hair is not long at all. So I feel like we should change the view on what being natural is about. For me, it's about hair health. My hair has never been this healthy before in my life. My hair has always been very brittle and damaged and dry, and now my hair is in the best condition it's ever been in. And that's because I've been more cautious with the products that I've been using, and I've been more cautious on how I actually treat my hair. I don't pull and tug my hair anymore. I braid or twist it every night. I co-wash. I'm just really cautious with my hair, and I'm careful with it. I'm actually caring for my hair. A lot of people think that if they do certain things that their hair will get long, but that's not always the case. You can care for your hair all you want. You can have the healthiest hair in the world, but it might not always be long. Health and long hair they're not the same thing. Your hair can be healthy and short, and your hair can be healthy and long. Your hair can also be very unhealthy and long. It can be very unhealthy and short. The main key is health, hair health, and I feel like we need to put that into perspective and remember that it's not always about the length. That's very trivial in comparison to the health of your hair. If your hair is not healthy, it's gonna look like shit, pretty much. Like, your hair's not gonna look okay. Basically, that's all I have to say. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything you want to say, leave it in the comment box. Please watch my vids. I'm going to try to make more. And as high maintenance, she pretty much pleaded for people to keep it real, and I'm going to try to do that within my videos. I'm going to keep it real with you guys 100%. It's not always easy being natural. Sometimes it's difficult. So I'm going to keep that real. That's my promise to all of you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and find so much success in your natural hair journey. Make sure that you guys are doing it for the health and not for the length. Bye.